Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact DTI version and patch. This matters because emote ID shift with updates. Next, enable any developer or console mode and make sure you have necessary permissions because you'll query files directly. Once that's done, backup configs and screenshot folders to a dedicated DTI emotes directory so you can revert if needed. While you do this, open the game and a text editor side by side. You'll need both for the first file scans and quick copy-paste. Now you run targeted searches through asset archives and scripts for keywords like emote, gesture, or anim. This exposes hidden entries. Use an asset extractor and batch grep to pull matching lines. Hex viewers help when strings are obfuscated, so you capture ID and file paths. Once you extract candidates, load them in a private session to test. While testing, record the exact activation command or keybind and any animation variations, because some emotes share ID, but differ by parameters or context. Finish by compiling a master spreadsheet containing ID, display name, source file, activation string, and any contextual notes. This makes retrieval repeatable. If duplicates or conflicts appear, prioritize entries from the newest patch, then clear game cache and retest to confirm behavior. If an emote still won't appear, consider it server-side or encrypted. Check server files if you have access, and cross-reference community changelogs. One troubleshooting tip: if extracted animations play incorrectly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.